In this video, we're going to go over the profile page. This is everything about you within the Scratch app. You can have your full name, your display name, and what you do for that company. It's also going to summarize how many times you've checked in, how many times you've made comments, and how many times you've sent kudos to somebody. It'll also show your hot streaks, which is right here. This is basically how many days in a row that I have actually made a progress update. There is also one for the check-in. If you get to 5 days, your hot streak is the hottest it'll get, and you'll basically earn more points. So this is basically just a summary of everything about you. But what I really want to talk about here is the About You section. You're going to see here that this is where I've entered my work hours from 9A to 5P. So this is usually telling remote people when you're in the office and when you're out of the office, or at home in our case. My location is Los Angeles. If I do want to change it, I just tap in there and type anything else. I can write San Diego if I want to change it. It'll pop up into the population. There you go. Now I've changed my location to San Diego. And then my hobbies here. You get 5, and as you can see, there's a list of many which you can pick from. And we'll just keep it where we're at. And then we hit the save button. And there you go. That's it. Changes saved for the profile. Thanks for tuning in.